I made a YouTube channel several days ago, just because I was so bored. I only uploaded 9 videos, and the crazy thing is, I got around 5,000 subscribers and 470,000 views within just 3 days. Not only me, there are a lot of new channels that are getting millions of views with AI-generated content. And if you check this channel, almost every video has gained more than 1 million views. That's crazy. The question is, can we actually monetize these AI videos? Yes, but you have to follow some guidelines. A lot of YouTube gurus show how to make videos using AI, but no one actually shows you the correct method to make monetizable AI videos. That's why I decided to make this video. No bullshit. I'm gonna show you exactly how to make monetizable AI videos so that you don't have to worry about getting demonetized. I'm gonna select several niches and show you how to make videos for those niches that can actually be monetized. And make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping any of these steps. There are 3 important things that you should consider when it comes to monetization, creativity, uniqueness, and eligibility. If you can manage these 3, it doesn't matter if the video is AI generated. You can monetize those videos. Rather than talking about this, it's better to show you how to make a monetizable AI video. I'm gonna select a viral niche, which is POV of historical events, and let's make a monetizable video for this niche. I'm sure that you have seen videos related to this topic on TikTok and YouTube, but the problem is that these videos lack creativity and uniqueness. All looks the same, but in order to monetize these videos, we have to improve them. We need to tell a story, and with that story, we need to provide some value to the audience. And that's where the script comes to play. I'm gonna use DeepSeek AI to generate a creative and unique script for this niche. As you can see here, using this script, you can create a story as if the viewer is stepping into the shoes of the character and experiencing their daily life. All you need to do is change the topic of the video, and you will be able to generate a unique and creative video script. As you can see here, the script is completed. Once the script is generated, we need to generate images for each scene to represent this script as a visual representation. For that, I created this prompt. This will analyze the script and generate image-generating prompts to represent the whole story. And later we can turn those into videos. Now, I'm gonna use an all-in-one AI tool for the next part. It's called AI Video. You don't have to jump around different AI tools. This tool has all the features you need: AI voice, AI image generation, AI video, and editor. So you don't have to spend subscription fees on several AI tools. This one tool is enough. So let's start the process. Once you sign up, you will come to this page. I'm gonna select this Explore from the Scratch option because I'm gonna create this video step by step. This is the dashboard we are going to use for this whole process. First, I'm gonna generate voiceovers for our script. Select this voiceover option from the top menu and make sure to select a good voice to narrate this story. All of these voices are from 11 Labs, and these are ultra realistic. Once you select your voice, go to your script and copy it. I'm gonna generate voice for this part.
Good morning, traveler. Welcome to the land of the pharaohs, where the sun god Ra blesses us with his light each day.
This is perfect. So, just like this, generate voiceovers for the whole script. Now, let's generate some images. First, I'm gonna copy one of the image prompts I generated earlier, and let's select this. As you can see here, we can make videos, images, and avatars. This tool has all the features we need. I'm gonna select this image feature, and now, you need to select a suitable model for this generation. You can clearly see which models are faster, cheaper, and better in terms of quality. So, in my opinion, the best model for images is this Flux Ultra model. Then you can select the aspect ratio for this video and increase the number of generations using this plus button. Let's generate 3 images. Then, copy the prompt here and generate. It will only take around 15 seconds to generate these images. As you can see here, we have some amazing images in ultra-realistic style. So, just like this, you can generate all the necessary images. Now, let's convert these images to videos. It's really simple. First, you need to download this image we generated. Then, select this image to video option. Then, you need to upload the image by clicking this browse option. Just like before, you need to select a video model for this. I'm gonna go with this Kling 1.5 model because it's the best model so far. Then, you need to type what you want in this prompt box. In this case, I'm gonna enter something like boat moves, clouds moving, birds flying. Based on your image and what type of output you want, you can change the prompt, and let's generate it. It will take several minutes to generate the video. Here is our first video, and it looked ultra realistic, exactly as I wanted. So just like this, you can convert all the images you generated to videos. As you can see here, I generated all the videos that can be used for our video. The next step is really simple and easy. First, you need to add the voiceovers to the timeline. If there are unnecessary long pauses, you can just cut those parts and delete. Then you need to place the video clips to necessary places. Make sure to match those with script, so add the clips one by one, and it's really easy. And the good thing about this tool is that you don't even need to use a video editor. Everything can be done in same place. I have added all the clips to the timeline. Now, go to this transitions feature. You will be able to see all of these transition effects. You can apply these transitions in between the clips. Just drag and drop these transitions like this. It's really simple. After that, we need to add some sound effects to this video. For that, click this sound effects feature. With this tool, you can easily generate any sound effect you want. Just type what you need and generate it. And just like this, add sound effects to the whole video. It will increase the creativity and uniqueness, which is very important for monetization. Now, you can go to this text feature and add captions to this video. First, click this to display captions, and you can change the colors, style, and fonts using these options. Finally, go to this music option and upload a suitable background music. Then, you can add it to the timeline, and that's all you need to do. Let's take a look at the final video.
Good morning, traveler. Welcome to the land of the pharaohs, where the sun god Ra blesses us with his light each day. My name is Nebet, and I am a scribe in the great city of Thebes. It is the 18th dynasty, a time of prosperity and grandeur under the reign of Pharaoh Hatshepsut. Come, step into my sandals, and let me show you how I begin my day in this ancient world. The first thing I feel as I wake is the rough texture of my linen blanket against my skin. It's simple, but it serves its purpose. The air is cool in the early hours, and I can hear the distant sound of donkeys braying and the clatter of pots from the neighbors' homes. My wife Merit is already awake, tending to the fire and preparing our morning meal. Merit is a skilled baker, and the smell of fresh bread fills our home. It's a simple barley loaf, but it's hearty and will give me the strength I need for the day ahead. I rise from my sleeping mat and stretch, feeling the stiffness in my muscles from yesterday's work. The streets of Thebes are alive with activity, even at this early hour. Merchants are setting up their stalls.
This video is perfect. It has the creativity, uniqueness, and eligibility. So instead of creating just AI videos, you have to be unique and creative. This video is 100% monetizable, and those who start this process today will have a huge success. If you want to try AI video, you can use the link in the description and use this promo code to get 20% discount. And I hope this video will help you to make monetizable AI videos. Good luck, guys.